Hello and welcome back to Jim's Kitchen. I am yet again celebrating Tots, Tater Tots, and I'm making another dessert this time. I'm making Tot Churros. It sounds pretty easy. Follow me in the kitchen. I'm gonna start by cooking some tots until they're nice and crispy. In a bowl I need half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Mix that together. I need to make a chocolate ganache for dipping, so I need a 1/4 cup of whipping cream and a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 30-second intervals, mixing it after each interval until nice and melted. Looking thick. Time to toss those tots in that cinnamon mix. Get them nice and coated. Tot churros. They do look really tasty. I'm ready to try them. Get all that cinnamon and sugar on there. Dip it in. That's a tasty treat. And easy. Who knew tots were so versatile? What do you call a churro that loves to explore and go places? Adventuros.